Alrighty, my progress. So I have to, first of all, preface this by saying I am 64 years old. However, I'm also taking Taekwondo classes. I have successfully achieved my yellow belt, and yay! I am looking forward to passing my exam for my yellow belt plus the green stripe. And I'm going to talk more about this in the show today to help you understand the concept of who you are and who you think you are, and how sometimes it's not the same thing. So that's going very, very well. It's extremely, extremely exciting. So my whole class is rooting for me. My sensei, I guess what you call my sensei, or my instructor, is just overcome with happiness and relief that I'm actually going to pass the requirements for the next belt. He did have his doubts.